Okay, so I wanted to show y'all what I did for open house. I made these cute little baggies. I made the tag on Canva. I just did a few. Our parent involvement isn't the best. I made this sign-up sheet on Canva as well. The kids and I like deep cleaned the classroom. And they did these poems on their desk. I don't want to get up close because it has their names on them. But they did these I am poems, and we're showing the parents and like other math that we did, and they'll have their outfits. I mean, I'm thinking about my outfit, y'all, and I said outfit. I meant their notebooks out. This is my outfit. I got this from TJ Maxx, right? No, Marshalls. Just got my wedges on. Y'all know I wear the same shoes every day. And then, oh, the earrings are really cute. They're like this. Oh, you can see my acne. Ew. Anyway, so yeah, that's that. We're ready for open house. I don't think that many will come, but hopefully.